Welcome back to ToolsMet. Today, we're taking a detailed look at one of the best-selling table saws on Amazon, a powerful, accurate, and highly reliable machine designed for both beginners and professional woodworkers. This table saw features a precision-engineered circular blade that delivers clean and smooth cuts every single time. Whether you're ripping long planks, cross-cutting hardwood, or making dado joints, this saw maintains steady performance with zero vibration. The motor is strong, providing enough torque to cut through thick and dense wood effortlessly. The table surface is made from durable cast aluminum or cast iron, depending on the model, giving excellent stability during cutting. It also includes a well-designed adjustable fence system, which keeps your workpiece straight and aligned, ensuring maximum accuracy. The miter gauge allows you to make perfect angled cuts, ideal for furniture frames, cabinets, and detailed woodworking projects. Safety is one of the most important aspects when choosing a table saw, and this Amazon model does not disappoint. It comes with a transparent blade guard, anti-kickback pawls, a riving knife, and an emergency power switch. These features work together to protect the user while maintaining smooth operation. The height and bevel adjustments are easy to use and extremely precise. You can quickly set the blade angle for bevel or compound cuts, making the saw far more versatile for advanced woodworking tasks.